Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm literally expecting a sell on GBP and ZD. I'm expecting price to break to trend line, pull back and then drop to the downside, right? I'm expecting to catch this big move if price gives a confirmation. I'm already in a setup like on USD JPY also. I think USD JPY. I'm expecting to catch this move, and I'm also expecting an entry on USD by re-entry. I guess a re-entry. I already took a sell earlier, but I'm expecting another drop to the downside. This one I'm waiting for confirmation, but I've already taken the entry. I'm also expecting a sell on GBP AUD, right? I'm expecting a sell there. I'm expecting price to, let me zoom out the charts a little bit. So I got 111 reach, as you can see there, but I'm expecting price to retrace back to this supply zone. Okay, it's not a supply zone, but it's an area of origin over here. I'm expecting price to retrace back to that zone during the London section, take out some stop losses and then drop to the downside, right? I will use my 1 minute strategy to actually take that entry and then expecting a drop to the downside, very heavy one, right? My present price to at least trade below that zone, manipulate and pull back, get an area of liquidity and then drop that side, right? I'm also expecting a sell on gold today. I'm expecting a sell on gold. I'm expecting price to drop to the downside on gold. This entry really took me out. I didn't get my time for break even because at that time I was really working. So gold has really been very bullish, but today I'm expecting it's okay. Let me reanalyze my chart so that I can show you the reason I'm taking this entry. I don't really like the ideology of drawing trend lines and stuff, because my strategy is quite straight up, but for this video I'm going to draw the trend line to make you guys understand exactly how I'm going to take the entry based on your own perception, the videos you have been watching online and stuff, so that you won't get confused, right? So at this level we had a flat zone there, right? The flat zone simply means the price is going to form a double top part, then that double top is going to cause the market to drop to the downside, right? And we have retraced back to the previous lower high, as you can see to the left side, breaking out of the trend line for your own confluence. And I've already got my confirmation from the tweezer candlestick. You can see there, right, from the tweezer. So I'm expecting a drop to the downside on gold. Thank you. Okay guys, as you can see, we are in profit on gold. We are in profit on gold. Gold is really dropping to the downside. I'm actually expecting to catch Forex reward. I'm holding throughout the night, and we are also in profit on USD. But I actually bought this later on after the market. I took out my stop loss from that zone. So it has been quite a good day. Also, I did have an entry on GPAUD, but I didn't take that entry because price didn't give me a proper confirmation. And also the setup, I had a setup on USD card, USD card, that one too.